Hello friends, today I came with unboxing for this cooker thermos. Okay, and it look like this but in pinkish color. I will show you. Okay, so let's see what inside this box. First of all, it came with manual information about the thermos. And this is the thermos itself from Cookr. Okay, so it came with this like cover, okay, or cap. You can use it as cup also, okay, for tea, for water, okay, as cup. And here you will see red button. It will open and you can pour the tea or water in glass or in cup. Okay, if you are finished, press again. It will be lock. Okay, lock and lock. Okay, let's see inside. See, from inside it's look like this. Here I put some hot water and I will see it's good or no. Okay, so friend, I keep it all night and I will see. Actually from 1 o'clock until now is 6 o'clock, so we will see. Now I will open it like that. Okay, and I will press this one here to open, and I will pour on the in the cup. Okay, and I will see it's cold or hot or what. Okay, I will put my finger because I don't drink. Oh, hot, it's still hot, so I recommend it. Very nice. It's still very hot. Okay, I can't insert my finger in it, so very good. I recommend it. This one is Cookr thermos. Okay, Cookr thermos, as you see here. So I recommend it. Very nice. I keep the water from 1 o'clock until now is 7 o'clock, so it's still hot and I love it, and yeah, I recommend it. Here I will finish this video. Be happy, be smile, be beautiful from inside. Until another video, stay home, stay safe. باي. سو حبايبي، مثل ما شفتوا أنا اشتريت هذا الترمس وجربته. سويت فيه ماي الحار من الساعة 1 المساء إلين الحين تقريبا الساعة 7 والماي ما زال حار. حبيته وأتمنى أنكم تجربوه، اللي هو كوكر ترمس هذا. أوكي، هذا كوكر ترمس، هنا اسمه إن شاء الله يكون واضح. اوكي، كوكر ترمس. وهنا انا بختم هذا الفيديو. اتمنى هذا الفيديو يعجبكم. احبكم وتحبوني. مع السلامة. So دوستو I buy this thermos, cooker thermos and मैं इसमें पानी डालियो 1 बजे से, शाम के 1 बजे से अब 7-8 बज रहे, तो पानी बहुत गर्म है अभी भी। आपके इंडिया में अगर ये मिला तो ज़रूर ख़रीदना, बहुत सस्ता है। कुकर थर्मस। ओके, बहुत कलर हैं इसमें। तो यहाँ तक मैं ये वीडियो ख़त्म करती हूँ। खुश रहना, खुशियाँ बांटना, सबको बहुत प्यार करती हूँ। प्यार करे तो प्लीज़ सपोर्ट करना। बाय।